Hi guys, it's Matthew here, the Kiwi Culchie. Yes, we're back in the new year for 2022, and today I'm going to show you very quickly how to poach these little beauties, eggs. So the first thing, guys, when you're poaching eggs, I always get a larger pot, and I'll show you why in a minute, but the whole idea is to get the water, bring it to the boil, and obviously then you're getting it to a rolling boil. You'll see it's just kind of rolling there, and then what we're going to do is we're going to put in what I use is the vinegar. So why we use vinegar is it stabilizes the egg white, which is the albumin, and it sets almost like a firm outer casing as it's being added into the hot rolling boiled water. Okay, the next thing is obviously we're going to put the egg into the water, but the big thing for me, and I was taught this years ago, is we're going to use a cup, and what we're going to do is we're going to put each egg into a cup, and as it's rolling, it's a rolling boil, we're just going to submerge it into the water to kind of get it going, and then we're going to drop it in, and as it falls into the bottom it kind of goes like a little tadpole of fish, and we're trying to get that unique kind of outlook on the egg so it all becomes a nice little shape. We'll do this with this one as well. So we're just starting it in the water, and then we drop it in. And you'll see it forming now. It kind of drops the bottom, the outer case, the protein, which is the albumin, it forms a case and it forms a nice round, stable kind of looking egg. Okay guys, these have been in for around about 4 to 5 minutes. You'll see, look, the lovely egg, okay, lovely form, a lovely round little ball of an egg. We're going to take both of these out, and it's very important when you do your poached eggs, you take them out and put them on a paper towel. What I do is put them on a tea towel, because what happens is all the water runs off and soaks it up. The last thing that I like is having a poached egg and there's water all over the plate. So we've got that there. So these are actually the finished products, and now we're going to put them just on a plate to show you. Okay, so here's our finished eggs, okay? And what you can actually do is, because they're so firm now, and they're not all watery, you can put them on your plate. A little bit of pepper. Obviously in the mornings you're going to have a bit of toast with it. And what we'll do, I'm just going to show you the poached eggs and how they're supposed to be. So they've got the firm, but they've got the yolk poured in, and that's your perfect poached egg. So there you go guys, here's my poached eggs, okay? I think it's really important how to poach an egg. We eat eggs on a regular basis for so many dishes, not just for breakfast, but you know, for eggs Benedict and for you know, main courses in cuisine. But I think it's important, and I really think it's a healthier way of eating rather than frying an egg in that kind of sense. So listen guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Facebook pages, LinkedIn, etc. And keep looking out for some more recipes. See you soon.